RPMs when I cranking, and hopefully I got a fuel pressure, electronic fuel pressure regulator, so it tells me the pressure and the fuel rail, and go from there. He say the keys in the car, so this is the Ford Explorer, and apparently he got a charging before. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect my scanner.
How you doing?
Hi. So the keys over there, I see it already. LBD2 right here. We got power. They put in these connectors. Why can't they just put the LVD2 connector, like, you know, you gotta deal with that every time. Keep on hiding it like it's a mystery. I'm using my head cam. As you can see, I built that in my hat, so keep it in the center though. You see some TF flashing here. Yeah, look at the TF. And this is not the key, so it's gotta be this one. TF is flashing. No more TF. Okay, so we go into Ford. And automatic select. See if we can get the, this time I don't forget to put the switching on. 198,000 miles. And it read the VIN number already. Double check that. Last four, that's correct. Press OK. Basically what I'm gonna do here, this is Explorer, is check data, and yes, hopefully guys you got a good video out of this one. I'm using my MaxiSys Pro, and loading the system. That's the inerta switch right there. Maybe somebody tell them about that guy. That's the inert switch, what they calling inerta switch, to cut the fuel when the car is in an accident. Good to know in the Explorer of this year. And we're going to diagnostics, and I'm gonna scan the whole vehicle, make sure everything is okay. Powertrain got one. Two ABS. I hope the glare is not an issue here in this. Airbag got one, instrument got one, instrument cluster. 4x4 got security module 2. Gem. Let's see this guy here. What is the problem? This vehicle must prepare to the self-test instruction. No active vehicle switch during the test. It's not moving. Make sure the doors are closed. And now the doors are closed. Unlock all the doors and switch overhead console on, switch. Okay, press OK. Okay, the hood is open, I know that. Passenger door ajar. Maybe, yeah, it's not closed all the way. Hood switch failure. Escape out of that. That's the second security thing. That don't disable the engine. PCM. I'd like to know which one is this guy here. Let's go with the memory because this card don't start. See what I got in memory. Okay, so that is the somebody being here and well, let me go back here. Let me go back here and we're gonna go to live data to see if we see something wrong here, guys. Okay, let me move this guy out of here. AC clutch, I don't know. AC actual output shafts. Speed anti barometric. That's good. Battery 12. Brake switch. Again, let me see. You see, changing. Off. Off, okay. Crankshaft position sensor. Not a fault. But I want to select that. Desired idle speed. Evap canister. Engine coolant temperature. Engine load. Misfire. Engine RPMs, I want that. Engine running time of misfire. Engine load. Fuel level. Fuel cap. Fuel system startup. Engine, let me see this one. Fuel tank pressure. Fuel tank pressure transducer. Fuel tank pressure. I need fuel rail pressure. Heater. Idle air control valve. Injector. Keep alive memory, okay. NOx sensor. Mass air flow, misfire. Number of key 2. Output shaft. This is all transmission shift. Spark advance. Spare key program start enable. Throttle 97. Wide open throttle. Wide open throttle. Okay. So let's say, for example, we got this. Somebody tried to crank the engine with this data pit and wide open throttle. The car will not start. So that's why I'm making sure here that this thing is normal. So throttle position 0. Let me see if we change here. At the time of misfire. Okay, that is not no fault. Vehicle speed. Oh guys, I don't got nothing for fuel. I think we got fuel problem issues, and I don't got nothing for fuel. Let me show this guy here, and I want to crank this car, and we're gonna take a look of this guy here. Fuel start to engine off, idle, crankshaft. Let me see if I got nothing in that one. Let me crank it. I'm warming the engine now. You say it doesn't start, but my first try to get it running, it's running rough. I wonder if that throttle was stuck and wide open. Let me see if nothing is in. I don't expect this to start. So let me go back here and let me go if I got let me see. Usually these four got what they got, power balance, pressure control. Let's go. Let's see. See if I got a misfire right now. This is running rough, guys. And it's smoking. Let's see if I got any light on. Oil pressure good. ABS. Alright, making sure. Charging system okay. This thing got a misfire, a very bad misfire. Engine coolant, engine misfire, no. See the injectors here. Okay, injector. Okay, misfire, no. Could be fuel pressure, guys. Let me see the sensors here. It's running and lean. Bank 1. Yeah, this sounds like a fuel, guys. Yeah, guys, this is fuel pressure problem. Alright, guys, let's see here. Let me take this off and see if I got let's see. Fuel Ford. You love Fords. Sometimes they put a strutter valve, and there we go. There we go, guys. Let me see if I can. Now in Fords, you gotta find out if you got that what they call module, fuel pressure module. I think it's the name of it. It goes sometimes in the frame, sometimes in the frame, sometimes in the spare tire, under the spare tire. And that module fails a lot in this truck, and people change fuel pumps when it's that module there. But guys, I think he got fuel pressure problem here, and I don't bring my gauge to try it. Yeah. And I don't bring nothing like to spray on it to try it. So I'm gonna tell him to do a fuel pressure test, and the car is running rough is because lack of fuel pressure here. So I tell him that's the direction he gotta take in this thing. And guys, thank you for watching.